We live in a digital world. The internet is everywhere. We use it for everything. From communication to banking, we rely on the digital world. This reliance brings vulnerabilities. Our data, our privacy, and our infrastructure are at risk. Cybersecurity is paramount in this digital age. We must understand the threats and defenses in the cyber world. Cybersecurity involves protecting systems, networks, and data from digital attacks. Cybercrime includes hacking, identity theft, and online fraud. Cyberwarfare targets infrastructure and communications. Cyberculture shapes our online interactions and communication norms. Cybernetics studies systems and control in both organisms and machines. Cyberspace is the virtual environment of interconnected networks. In summary, cyber pertains to the digital world, encompassing security, crime, warfare, culture, and virtual environments. Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting our digital assets. It involves a range of techniques. We use these techniques to protect data from unauthorized access. Cybersecurity is vital for individuals and organizations. Governments also have a role in cybersecurity. They must protect critical infrastructure. This includes power grids and communication networks. Cybersecurity is a complex and ever-evolving field. Cybersecurity measures are essential in today's digital landscape. They protect our personal information from cybercriminals. Strong passwords and multi-factor authentication are crucial. We must be cautious about phishing scams. Software updates patch security vulnerabilities. Regularly updating our devices enhances security. Backing up our data is also important. We can recover data if it's lost due to cyberattacks. Cybercrime is a growing problem. Criminals exploit digital systems for illegal activities. These activities include fraud, identity theft, and data breaches. Cybercriminals are becoming increasingly sophisticated. They use advanced techniques to compromise systems. Ransomware attacks are on the rise. Cybercriminals hold data hostage for ransom. Cybercrime has a significant impact on individuals and organizations. Data breaches can lead to identity theft, and the financial losses from cybercrime are substantial. Cyberattacks can disrupt critical infrastructure. This can have devastating consequences for society. The fight against cybercrime requires collaboration. Governments, organizations, and individuals must work together. Combating cybercrime requires a multifaceted approach. Law enforcement agencies play a vital role. They investigate and prosecute cybercriminals. International cooperation is essential. Cybersecurity professionals work to secure systems. They develop and implement security measures. Education and awareness are crucial. Individuals and organizations must be informed about cyber threats. Cyberwarfare is a new dimension of conflict. Nation-states use cyberattacks against each other. They target critical infrastructure and military systems. Cyberwarfare can have devastating consequences. It can disrupt essential services and lead to chaos. The rules of engagement in cyberwarfare are unclear. This makes it a complex and dangerous domain. Cyberwarfare has global implications. Attacks can cross borders easily, and cyberattacks can target any country. This makes it a global security threat. Currently, the international community is working on norms. These norms will govern cyberspace and aim to prevent the escalation of cyber conflicts. Cyberwarfare is, without a doubt, a complex and evolving threat. Cyberculture refers to the online world. It encompasses online communities and social media. The internet has fundamentally transformed how we communicate and how we consume information. Cyberculture has its own norms and values, and it significantly influences our offline lives. Moreover, the internet has created new forms of art and expression. Cybernetics is the study of systems, particularly exploring the interaction between humans and machines. This field has led to significant advancements in robotics and is also used in fields like medicine and engineering. Cybernetics is transforming how we interact with technology. Brain-computer interfaces are being developed, allowing humans to control machines with their thoughts. Cyberspace is the virtual world created by computers. It is a vast and complex domain that encompasses everything from social media to online banking. Cyberspace is constantly evolving and expanding. It has become an integral part of our lives, presenting both opportunities and challenges. We must navigate cyberspace